In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Dexcom app. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device or the App Store if you are on an iPhone. This is the digital marketplace for apps where you will find the Dexcom application. On the screen, you will notice a colorful icon representing the store. It is essential to start here because this is where you can securely download trusted applications. Once you have located the store icon, simply tap on it. This action will take you to a world of applications that can enhance your smartphone experience. Next, you will need to search for the Dexcom G7 in the search bar at the top of the screen. When you tap on the search bar, your keyboard will appear, allowing you to type. Type Dexcom G7 carefully. It's crucial to get the name right to ensure you find the correct application. As you type, you may see suggestions pop up below. These can help you confirm that you are on the right track. Once you have entered the name, hit the search button. This step is important because it helps you locate the app quickly among thousands of others available. After you find the Dexcom G7 in the search results, tap on it to open the app's page. Here, you will see detailed information about the app along with its ratings and reviews. This is a good opportunity to review user feedback as it can provide insights into the app's performance. Now look for the button that says Install if you are using an Android device or Get if you are on an iPhone. Tapping this button initiates the download process. This step is vital because it officially begins the installation of the app on your device, making it accessible for your use. Now you will need to wait for the app to download and install. Depending on your internet connection speed, this could take a few moments. During this time, you might see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. Patience is key here, as this process is essential for ensuring that the app is correctly installed on your device. Once completed, you will receive a notification or see an icon on your home screen confirming that the app is ready for use. Once the installation is complete, it's time to open the app. Locate the newly installed Dexcom G7 icon on your device's home screen. Tapping this icon will launch the application. You may notice a splash screen or a welcome message as the app loads. This step is significant because it brings you one step closer to utilizing the app for managing your health. It's a straightforward action, but it's exciting to see that you have successfully downloaded the app. Next, you will need to sign in with your existing Dexcom account or create one if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. This could include your email and password. If you are new to Dexcom, look for the option to create an account. This usually involves entering your personal information and agreeing to the terms of service. This step is crucial because it personalizes your experience and allows you to access all the features of the app. Remember, setting up your account correctly is key to maximizing the benefits of the Dexcom G7 app. With these steps completed, you are now ready to start using the Dexcom app effectively. You will find it to be a valuable tool for managing your health and monitoring your glucose levels. Enjoy exploring the features and functionalities that the app offers to support your health journey.